To make brownies in the microwave, first add 1 cup, 225 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon, 2.5 grams of salt to a bowl and mix until combined. Then, add half a cup, 115 grams of melted butter and mix until blended. In a separate bowl, combine 3/4 cup, 75 grams all-purpose flour and half cup, 50 grams cocoa powder. Use a fork to break up any lumps, clumps, or chunks. Sift the flour mixture into the sugar, butter, and egg mixture, and stir until evenly mixed, being careful to not overmix the batter. Next, pour the batter into an 8-inch by 8-inch lightly greased baking dish. For extra texture, you can sprinkle half a cup, 90 grams of chocolate chips or chunks on top. Microwave the brownies uncovered on high, pausing every minute to rotate the baking dish. Cook until there is a 1 1/4 inch, 3.18 centimeters wide moist spot in the center, about 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, remove the brownies from the microwave and let them cool. Cut them into squares or rectangles before serving. You can serve them as they are, or with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or hot fudge.